Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. As we all know, plants are the natural, safest and dependable source of healthcare and wellness in comparison to expensive synthetic drugs. Tulsi is a sacred plant and is best known for its medicinal properties. It is one of the oldest herbs known to mankind. Tulsi's healing and healthful properties have been the most treasured knowledge across the world. Tulsi is worshipped as goddess of devotion in many of the Indian households. Tulsi is cultivated for religious and medicinal purposes and also for its essential oil which is used in Ayurveda. Tulsi has a special place in Ayurveda as well as the home of Hindus in India. Tulsi has proved to be highly effective in protecting our body from various infections and diseases of heart, liver, skin, kidney, etc. In Ayurveda, Tulsi refers as the incomparable one, mother medicine of nature, and the queen of herbs. Tulsi is also referred as an elixir of life for both its medicinal and spiritual properties. Friends, as we all know that we are all surrounded by good and bad bacteria. Though there are many more good bacteria than bad, but some viruses and bacteria are very harmful and dangerous for our health. If you consume or come in contact with harmful viruses and bacteria, they may reproduce in your body and release toxins that can damage your body tissue and make you feel ill. In your hectic schedule, you get less time to keep yourself away from harmful bacteria and viruses which is surrounding you. Keeping these things in mind, Fiona Herbal has formulated pocket-friendly and cost-effective drop that is known as Fiona 7 Tulsi Drop, so that you can keep yourself away from harmful bacteria and viruses in your busy lifestyle. Fiona 7 Tulsi Drop is a miraculous drop that contains n number of medicinal properties. It has been formulated by mixing 7 different types of tulsi, such as Ocimum basilicum, Ocimum scantum, Ocimum canamsims, Ocimum gratissimum, Ocimum kilimanscarsum, Lalimantia royaliana, and Ocimum lemon. It is enriched with immense benefits of Tulsi. Fiona 7 Tulsi Drop is rich in antioxidant, anti-aging, antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Thus, it helps to boost immune system and also helps you to fight against diseases and bacteria. The effective benefits of Fiona 7 Tulsi Drop. Fiona 7 Tulsi Drop is well known for having germicidal agent and disinfectant properties. Thus, it helps to protect the body from all types of viral infection, fever, malaria, and dengue. As it is rich in antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties, it helps to get rid from bronchitis, asthma, influenza, cough and cold, sore throat and flu. The phytochemicals present in Fiona 7 Tulsi Drop has strong antioxidant property. Thus, it helps in protecting you from skin, liver, oral and lung cancers. Fiona 7 Tulsi Drop helps to cure indigestion and loss of appetite. It is also very effective in treating flatulence and bloating. Those who are suffering from arthritis can take Fiona 7 Tulsi Drop as it has detoxifying and diuretic properties. It helps in decreasing the level of uric acid in the body, which is the main reason why kidney stones are formed. Thus, it gives relief to arthritis patients. It is also very effective for diabetic patients as it helps to lower down the blood glucose level in patients with type 2 diabetes. Fiona Tulsi Drop works wonder for children before teething and also helps them to fight against pediatric diseases like cough and cold, diarrhea, vomiting, etc. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please share with your friends, family, or leave a comment below. And also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell notification button.